my video. How dare
This
you?
is Lizzie Diggle, also known as Morris.
Nathan Pacelli.
Hey, Nathan Pacelli. Nice to meet you.
I've got it. Turn.
You left your scarf at home, how dare you?
Yes, 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 yes. This is me dancing.
It's a nice dance.
Should we say pole dance? This is what these girls do. Where are you? Come back, Lou. Hold the phone. Let me just sort this out. Where's my... hold the phone. Oh, it's still there.
It's a camera, not a phone.
And yes. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. That was ridiculous.
It zoomed in anything.
Please, please. Please, please.